Hello, good morning, student.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm
Fine.
good. You?
Okay, great. Do you hear my voice clearly? Suara saya terdengar jelas? Yes, okay.
Yes.
Jelas, ma'am.
Before we start our lesson today, please one of you lead to pray. Okay?
Saya.
Justin, please.
Attention, please.
Yes.
Let's try together. Try begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Justin. What did you do?
We identified biography of Jokowi. Waktu, simple past, kata hubung, temporal conjunction, focus one participant Jokowi.
Today we must do something better. Yeah, good is nice, but better is more than good. Okay, today you must be better than last week. Okay, all of you have present in this Google Classroom. So today we have objective lesson about the first is you must be able to analyze the structure and the language feature, and the second is you can create the biographical recount text. Okay, we will review about the text okay. Can you see the picture? The series of the picture?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, good. Okay,
Didi Kempot.
please click the Google slide, the link of Google slide in your WhatsApp. If you have opened the Google slide, please write one sentence or more in your slide, which is your group, yeah. In there, group 1 until group 7, please write your text or your writing, one or two, so one group, one slide. You can see that. Oh, you start right in here. Your activity is recorded in here. Okay, it is your first experience to use Google Slide. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Menceritakan masa lalu.
Okay, good. What's the real name?
The name Kempot, which grounds his name, is also related to the origins of musical dunia. Kempot is an acronym for Sitwak.
Kempot is akronim. Akronim itu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia maknanya apa ya? Justin, in Indonesia akronim is
Singkatan, ma'am.
singkatan. Jadi kalau kamu mau menjelaskan singkatan juga harus dalam bentuk singkatan, not in English.
Kelompok penyanyi trotoar.
Ya, dan ini diganti dengan kelompok penyanyi trotoar. The origin name don't change into English. Okay. Kempot is we use good. Group 4.
The song Citro from his first album was less well known in Indonesia, but instead became a door that connected Didi with fans abroad, especially Suriname and the Netherlands.
Good, and then thank you, Sylvia. Group 7. The comments of Didi Kempot. In the biographical context, the generic structure have a 3-part: orient,
Action,
events, and the last is
reorientation.
orientation. Based on this text, what have you learned from Didi Kempot? In Indonesia is okay, in English is very good.
Bahasa daerah.
Okay, good. He survived with his culture, with his language. By his song, he can go international. Okay, good. Okay, and the next we go to your assignment. Your assignment for today is you must analyze the text. There are the social function, generic structure, and language feature. The text is about
Kartini.
Okay, Kartini. Okay, you open your assignment, your discussion sheet in your Google Classroom, and you must discuss it in how long ya? 30 minutes is okay? 30 minutes?
Okay.
Okay, and we will meet again in our Zoom by 30 minutes from now. Okay, we go. go to our next activity today. We would like to you would like to present your discussion, your result of your discussion in analyzing the text, and the text is about. Okay, we start from group 2. Okay, please, group 2. Yeah, group 2. You can see the discussion sheet, ya? Sudah terlihat? RAK sini in here? Sudah? Oke, silakan. Group 2. Time is yours. Group the other, please mute the voice and only group 2 open the voice. Open the speaker. Only group 2 open the speaker. The other, please unmute.
Good morning, friends. I want to explain about the generic structure of the text. Paragraf pertama adalah orientation, karena isi paragrafnya memperkenalkan siapa itu R.A. Kartini dan keluarganya. Paragraf kedua adalah event 1, karena menceritakan tentang masa muda Kartini yang harus menikah muda. Paragraf ketiga adalah event 2, karena menceritakan tentang usaha R.A. Kartini yang membangun sekolah. Paragraf keempat adalah event 3, karena menceritakan tentang akhir hidup R.A. Kartini. Dan paragraf terakhir adalah reorientation, yang berisi komentar si penulis.
Thank you for group 2 ya. Okay, I wanna ask about the group 3.
Good morning, friends. I like to present the result of discussion from group 3. Nah, di sini yang saya kasih warna merah adalah simple past, yaitu yang menyatakan kejadian di masa lampau. Nah, di paragraf pertama ada kata was and had. Di paragraf kedua ada kata would, forced, denied, was, arranged, married, was, offered, thus. Di paragraf ketiga ada kata expressed, resolved, proceeded. Di paragraf yang keempat ada kata died, collect, and published, was, titled, was, published, when, include, was, translate. Di last paragraph ada kata match. Next, ada temporal conjunction. Ini ada di paragraf ketiga dan 4. Saya kasih warna biru. Ini ada di paragraf ketiga dan ada di paragraf keempat. That's all. Thank you. Any comment, friends?
Menurut pendapat saya, she had two sisters named Kardina and Rukmini. Menggunakan simple past pada kata had, artinya mempunyai V1-nya has atau have, and temporal conjunction when struggling to adapt to isolation. Kartini wrote letters to Avingsur and her Dutch schoolmates.
Okay, thank you, Fajrul. Yeah, the first paragraph is about orientation, and the second, third, and fourth paragraph is about events, and the last is about reorientation. We will discuss about the two questions in here. Why is the text written? Anyone, please? Go ahead. Be active, please. Why is the text written?
Saya, Ma'am, Ekidia.
Okay, Ekidia, please. Please explain what is the question asked for. Pertanyaan ini tuh mengarahnya seperti apa? Coba dijelaskan. In Indonesia, it's okay.
Tujuan menulis teks tersebut.
Okay, good. The purpose, tujuan. Menurut Egi, based on your opinion, what is the purpose of the biographical recount text R.A. Kartini?
Agar pembaca dapat mengetahui dan mempelajari pelajaran hidup R.A. Kartini.
Okay, good. And based on your opinion, the valuable thing or
Wanita yang tangguh. Memperjuangkan hak-hak wanita.
Oke, emansipasi
Nulis
ya.
buku aja.
Oh, menulis buku. It's okay, nggak apa-apa. Okay, thank you, Eki. So, we can say that biographical context has purpose to educate the readers, take the valuable lesson from the figures. Okay, how about number 2? How is R.A. Kartini's life story portrayed?
Dia adalah wanita yang
Oke, Puja.
dia adalah wanita yang memperjuangkan emansipasi wanita, kesetaraan gender.
Ya.
Karena pada masa itu wanita yang bukan bangsawan tidak boleh bersekolah. Nah, dia sebagai bangsawan yang pernah bersekolah, setelah dia menikah dia merasa dia harus membantu wanita-wanita ini, dia mendirikan sekolah.
Okay, good. Thank you, Puja. Okay, so today we can conclude that
Teks biografi itu bertujuan untuk menceritakan kisah hidup seseorang agar dapat dijadikan teladan bagi pembaca, seperti perjuangan era Kartini yang memperjuangkan emansipasi wanita.
you have learned about the purpose ya. The purpose. Apa tadi purpose? Tujuan. Tujuan dari biografi tadi adalah that inspire or educate the readers to take the most or the valuable lesson from the figures. But some of you still confused with the simple past ya, the using of the verb ya, the verb. Maybe you must memorize about the verb, especially in the irregular verb, because the verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3 has different form. Ya, seperti tadi had. Any comments for this lesson? Maybe then some of you feel feel uncomfortable with this lesson. The trouble from this lesson is, I think all of you still trouble in the connection ya. Is it right? Yeah, and me too. Yes. Me too. I have trouble connection in here. Okay, in the next, after that you have assignment ya. Arrange short biography based on the picture information in 10 sentences. Who was he? The name?
Muhammad Hatta.
No, not
Happy.
ya.
Salah lihat, Bang.
It's okay. B.J. Habibie is Bapak. Bapak apa ya, Nak ya? Bapak apa?
Teknologi.
Oke, teknologi.
Bapak pesawat.
Okay, good. Okay, don't forget to do ya. Don't forget to do your assignment. Don't forget to do your assignment. Okay, please one of you lead to pray. Before we finish, next week we will meet again.
Attention please.
Okay.
Yes. Let's pray together by finish.
Okay, thank you. Keep your healthy ya. Good
Yes,
is nice. Yeah. Be better and someday you will be the best. Okay, see you in the next week.